So hey everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Or if you're new here, hello, welcome. My name is Luna Rose because I'm the flower that blooms at night. And as you can read from the title of today's video and the slightly unhinged but patriotic look, I need you. That's right, today's video is all going to be about you and your participation. So let's get into it, shall we? Okay, so, yeah, I need you. That's right, you. The person watching this video right now, I need your help. And no, it's not going to be for some, like, scammy sign-up thing. It's not going to be, like, vote for me for a competition or anything like that. It's literally just going to be, I need you, I need your brain, I need your help, and I need your advice. And this video is kind of a continuation on from yesterday's video, which was my fear of commitment, which I will leave a link to down below. And pretty much, like I said, today's video is going to kind of be a continuation of that, and pretty much me asking for your help. So yesterday I said that I want to try and do daily uploads all throughout August, September, and then I will be doing my Halloween series in October. So pretty much for the next 2 months, I need around 60 video ideas. So I thought I would use today's video as like a full-on outreach program to ask you if there's anything specific that you want to see from me. It can be makeup, it can be chit-chatty, it can be reviews, it can be trying out different products. Let me know what you want to see from my channel, not just over the next like couple of months, but in the future. I am really deciding to commit to YouTube and put my all into it, my literal full Luna Rose Ussie into my channel, and I want your feedback and kind of a different insight to what kind of content you want to see from me. I am more than happy to go out of the usual like drag makeup comfort zone and maybe do like challenges and all that kind of thing. So if there's any idea, literally any idea that you can think of or that you've wanted me to do, let me know in the comment section of today's video or private message me on Instagram. I will also have my little email address down below. I think it's thelunarose@hotmail.com, but I will pop it on the screen and down below. But I want your feedback for what you want to see from me. Also, I need you for a second reason. Again, not signing up to anything, nothing scammy like that. I want your honest and truthful feedback on my channel and on my drag. And I promise I will not get offended as long as it is like constructive, like criticism feedback. But genuinely, let me know what you think of my channel. What do you come to my channel for? What do you expect from my channel? And what do you think I can improve on? So whether that's lighting, my actual camera, my microphone, my makeup skills, my actually don't comment on my hair and makeup skills for today's video. I just thought it would be something funny to do like a I need you and dress like a full like patriotic red, white and boobs kind of UK flag mixed with American flag. And French flag, to be fair, with the red, white and blue stripes. But yeah, I just thought it would be kind of a funny look for today's video. But let me know where you think I can improve on to do with like the technical aspects, the actual content of my channel, anything like that. Leave it in the comment section of today's video, since like I said, I really want to commit to YouTube. I really want to commit to my social media in general and make an actual long-term career out of this. And I am really trying my best, and I'm really putting my like best foot forward, a positive mindset. But I want to know where you guys think I can improve or things that I can potentially change to improve my content, whether that be not upload 3 days a week, whether that be change my upload times. Let me know. Any small feedback is very like important to me, and yeah, as long as it's constructive, don't just say you're a fat bitch, lose weight. That ain't gonna fly on this channel. But anything like that, just let me know where you think I can improve or develop. My plan is to really like obviously be working on my drag and my channel. Like I said, I'm going to be uploading every single day throughout August and every single day throughout September, and then doing 31 looks in October. So there is lots of content coming soon, but I really just wanted to make this video today to ask for your feedback. You specifically, what do you want from me and my channel in the future? What can I improve on in the future? And what small little tweaks and things can I change to make my content better, whether that be more entertaining, more informative, anything like that, just please let me know, since, like I said, I'm committing, I'm going for it, and I only have myself to like reflect on content and like view where I've come from and what I want to change. But there could be some information that someone says out there where I'm like, duh, why didn't I do that sooner? So yeah, that's what today's video is. And yeah, please let me know. I really hope you enjoyed this little feedback one-on-one session. I will always come back and check the comments on this video, so if you're watching this in the future, I will still see your comment and try and implement it. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this slightly different video, the unhinged, slightly sloppy drag look today. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Again, like I said, comment any suggestions, any content ideas, any improvements, feedback, anything that you can think of that you think would benefit Luna Rose. Even if it's like just small minor things, I just really want to know your guys' opinion and find ways to elevate my content and drag and just the works of it all. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to The Girl Next Door with something more. Like I said, I am planning to upload daily, literally over the next 3 months, and then it will go back to Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays in November, and then hopefully even daily uploads again in December. But yeah, I'm really committing to YouTube. I'm really trying my best to create content and create like good quality content. I just want your feedback, and yeah, please give me your feedback because I need you. And thanks so much for watching. Bye. Literally 2 out of 10, if that tongue pop outro. 4, maybe? But yeah. Thanks for watching. I've drank way too many energy drinks today, and I will see you in tomorrow's video for a high heel haul. See you soon.